students, my name is Sumaya Badr. I'm an English teacher from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today I will present for you period 6 from unit 11. The title of our unit is Strange Events. Okay, my lovely students, now open your books, page 67, period 6. Now write N for noun, V for verb, or A for adjective after the correct words. I will give you 2 minutes in order to prepare this activity by classifying the words. Okay, if is it noun, you will write N. If is it verb, you will write V, and if is it adjective, you will write A. Start, please. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, depth is a noun. Number 2, mysterious is, yes, it is adjective. Number 3, suggest, yes, it is verb. Number 4, operation, it is, yes, it is a noun. Number 5, interest, yes, it is also noun. Number 6, creature, yes, noun. Number 7, deep, yes, adjective. Number 8, mystery, noun. Number 9, suggestion, yes, it is also noun. Number 10, operate, yes, it's a verb. 11, interesting, it is adjective. And the last one, create, yeah, it is verb. Okay, now you have 1 minute in order to check your answers and correct the mistakes of them. Okay, my lovely students, let's move to the second activity. Use pairs of activity 1 to complete the following. Make any changes needed. Now, in this activity, we will back to activity 1 in order to collect the correct words. In order to complete these sentences, you have 2 minutes in order to complete these sentences correctly. Start, please. Now, my lovely student, let's check your answers. Number 1, Nessie is still a big, yes, mystery. Is there really a mysterious animal in the lake? Number 2, some people have, yes, suggested that it's just a dead tree. There have been other similar, yes, suggestions to that it was just a group of birds, for example. Number 3, yes, there is a lot of, yes, interest in Nessie, and many reports are very interesting. Number 4, in Operation Deep Scan, the boats had to operate in a very straight line. Number 5, the lake is very deep. Its greatest depth is nearly 300 meters. Number 6, even if there is no creature in the lake, the story has created a big local tourist industry for the thousands of visitors who come to see Nessie every year. Okay, my lovely students, you have 2 minutes in order to check your answers. Now, let's go to activity 3. Study the chart and complete the paragraphs. Here we have some words in the yellow box. You try to complete the paragraphs by using them. Start, please. You have 2 minutes to prepare this exercise. Start. Okay, lovely student, let's check your answers. Number 1, from the 1970s, reports, yes, continue steadily at a rate of just 1 or 2 per decade. Until the end of the 1920s, however, from 1930, the number of reports, yes, rose rapidly. In all, there were 31 reports during the 1930s, yes, an average of more than 3 per year. Okay, my lovely students, you have 2 minutes in order to check your answers and correct the mistakes of them. Now, let's go to the second part from this activity. We will continue completing the sentences. Okay. Now, from the end of the 1930s, number of reports fell suddenly to an average of just 2 or 3 per decades in the 1940s and 1950s. However, the number increased dramatically again in the 1960s, this time to the highest of all time, 37, or a rate of nearly 4 per year. Okay, my lovely students, now you have 1 minute in order to check your answers and correct the mistakes of them. Okay, now we'll go to activity 4, work in pairs, ask and answer questions about the chart. We have student A and student and the answer. Please, I will read the questions for you. Were there any reports? Were there many reports? What happened? How did things change? During the early decades in the 1930s, during the next 2 decades in the 1916s, this activity will be as a homework for you. You will ask and you will try to answer, and please send this homework in my WhatsApp, okay, to check it. Thank you very much. By this lesson I will come to end my class. Thank you very much. I hope you get benefit from my class. See you tomorrow, inshallah ta'ala.